Skincare used to be about fragrance, packaging, and marketing. Today, it's about ingredients. Efficacy, trust, transparency. Consumers don't just ask what looks good, they ask what works. And that shift forced one of the world's oldest skincare companies to rethink how it makes, moves, and manages products. This is the story of how Beiersdorf rebuilt its supply chain to support science-driven, trust-based global skincare, and why quiet operational excellence became its biggest competitive advantage. Modern skincare is unforgiving. Products must meet strict regulatory standards, deliver consistent performance, remain stable across climates, launch quickly when trends shift. At the same time, demand is fragmenting. Dermatological products, sensitive skin formulas, medical-grade credibility, region-specific needs. Beiersdorf realized, we are no longer shipping cosmetics. We are shipping scientific credibility. And credibility doesn't tolerate supply chain failure. Beiersdorf doesn't start with marketing. It starts with research. That means the supply chain must support complex formulations, sensitive active ingredients, tight process controls, long validation cycles. To do this, Beiersdorf tightly integrates. Factories are not just production sites. They are extensions of the laboratory. This reduces variability, reformulation risk, quality deviations. In science-led skincare, consistency is the brand. Unlike companies that chase low-cost outsourcing, Beiersdorf chose control. Its strategy: fewer, highly specialized manufacturing sites. This allows Beiersdorf to replicate products globally with precision. Scale didn't come from spreading production everywhere. It came from making fewer sites exceptionally good. Skincare is deeply local. Climate, skin types, and regulations vary by region. Beiersdorf solved this by adapting packaging and claims regionally. This allows faster local launches, lower reformulation risk, global consistency with local relevance. The system bends, but it doesn't break. In modern skincare, trust travels fast, and so do failures. Beiersdorf invested heavily in transparent sourcing, because a single issue can damage brand credibility, trigger recalls, and undermine decades of trust. For Beiersdorf, supply chain integrity isn't compliance, it's brand protection. Consumers now expect skincare to be effective, safe, sustainable. Beiersdorf redesigned its supply chain to reduce virgin plastics, introduce refill systems, cut water and energy usage, work with sustainable raw materials. The challenge? Doing all this without compromising formulation stability or quality. That required process redesign, supplier innovation, long-term investment. Sustainability wasn't added later, it was engineered in. Competitors can copy ingredients, claims, and packaging aesthetics. They struggle to copy integrated R&D to manufacturing systems. They struggle to copy long-term supplier discipline. They struggle to copy quality culture. They struggle to copy regulatory mastery. Beiersdorf's advantage isn't speed alone, it's trust at scale, and trust is one of the hardest supply chain outcomes to manufacture. In an era where skincare trends change overnight, Beiersdorf chose a different path. It doubled down on science, consistency, control, trust. By building a supply chain designed for dermatological credibility, not hype, Beiersdorf turned operational discipline into a long-term advantage. That's why Beiersdorf isn't just a skincare company. It's a quiet, resilient supply chain legend.